Right now, the oldest signal in the universe is still washing over your body at this exact moment, and every telescope humanity has ever built has had no way to receive it. Scientists at NASA know it is there. They cannot intercept it. They are now building something on the far side of the moon to finally try, but here's what nobody is telling you about what it might reveal. Those first stars, they had a name: the cosmic dark ages. A period roughly 380 million years after the Big Bang, when the universe was a cold, dark, formless fog. No galaxies, no planets, no light at all. Then something ignited. The very first stars switched on. Massive, furious, hundreds of times larger than our own sun, they burned so hot they tore the hydrogen around them apart, a process called reionization, and in doing so they permanently changed the structure of the entire universe. We have never seen them, not once. Not a single image, not a single confirmed signal. Every telescope ever pointed at the sky, Hubble, Spitzer, even the James Webb Space Telescope, they were built for the wrong frequency. Those ancient stars speak a language we have never been able to hear. Until now. The signal those first stars left behind exists at a frequency called the 21-centimeter line, a faint whisper in the radio spectrum produced by neutral hydrogen gas as it was being shredded by the first starlight. It is still out there, right now, but here on Earth it is completely drowned out. Earth's ionosphere, the charged upper layer of our atmosphere, scrambles it. Our own radio transmissions bury it. Wi-Fi cell towers, satellite networks, 13.8 billion years of signal annihilated by the background hum of a Netflix download. Scientists have been trying to detect it for decades. Ground-based radio telescopes have come agonizingly close. The EDGES experiment in 2018 thought they had it, a faint dip in the radio spectrum at exactly the right frequency. And what they found was so strange, so wildly out of range, that the entire physics community told them they had to be wrong. They couldn't explain it then. They still can't now. The problem is not sensitivity. The problem is location. To hear the first stars, you need silence. Complete, total electromagnetic silence. And there is no such place on Earth. That is what pushed engineers toward the one option that sounded like science fiction. Put the telescope somewhere Earth's radio noise cannot reach. Somewhere so isolated it might as well be another world. They chose the far side of the moon. On the lunar far side, permanently shielded from every signal Earth has ever produced, radio astronomers would finally have their silence. The moon itself becomes the shield. 13.8 billion years of noise, blocked by 400,000 kilometers of rock. The question was whether anyone would actually build it, and now, right now, they are. The project is called LUSEE Night, the Lunar Surface Electromagnetics Experiment at Night. It is being engineered to operate on the lunar far side, in the permanent dark beyond the horizon, listening for a signal no instrument has ever cleanly isolated. And here is the part they are not saying loudly. When the EDGES experiment caught that faint dip in 2018, the one the physics community dismissed, the signal was twice as deep as the standard model of cosmology predicted it should be. Twice. Not a rounding error, not instrument noise. Twice. Which means one of two things. Either our understanding of the early universe is wrong in a way no one has yet been able to explain, or something was interacting with that hydrogen gas in the dark ages that we have never accounted for. Something that cooled it. Something that was there in the dark before the first stars even switched on. One of the leading theoretical explanations involves dark matter interactions. The idea that dark matter, the invisible substance making up 27% of the universe, the thing we have never directly detected, the thing we only know exists because of what it does to gravity, was actively cooling the hydrogen gas in the early universe. If LUSEE Night confirms the EDGES signal from the lunar far side, it would be the first indirect evidence that dark matter does something beyond gravity. The first time we have ever caught it acting. Nobody knows what that would mean for physics. Nobody has a clean answer ready. Think about what that changes. Every cosmological model we have built, every simulation, every equation, every textbook written in the last 100 years was constructed around the assumption that dark matter is passive, that it sits there, that it pulls, that it does not touch ordinary matter in any way we can measure. But the James Webb Space Telescope has already found galaxies that formed too early, too large, too structured galaxies that should not exist under our current models. That problem does not have a solution yet. If dark matter is more active than we thought, it could be the thread that unravels all of it. We built a telescope to see the first stars. We may be about to see what was hiding behind them. LUSEE Night is being aimed at a darkness that has never been interrupted. The data will come. And when the first confirmed signal from the cosmic dark ages arrives, if it matches what EDGES saw, the question will not be whether our models are wrong. The question will be what was actually out there before the light came on.